Jamaica has more than 28 species of birds, land snails, reptiles, amphibians, and hundreds of flowering plants that are only found in Jamaica. Jamaica is home to 21 of the 1,200 species of bats found in the world. The Jamaican Flower Bat is one of the 5 endemic bat species found in Jamaica. The last confirmed roost of the leaf-nosed Jamaican Flower Bat is in the parish of Portland.
Jamaican Flower Bat is an endemic species in its genus, which is grouping how you would group animals, in terms of family, genus, species. In its genus, there are only 2 species. One is found in Cuba and the Dam and the other one is found here in Jamaica. So it's extremely special, and before it used to be found more widespread on the island, and after years of survey, researchers noticed a decline and stopped detecting them at various caves. Some of the caves would have been altered because of human use, and for a while it hadn't been seen, and in 2011 NEPA found them here. Not just found them here, but found them breeding here. So this is almost the last known, hopefully we'll find more, but known refuge for this species.
The bats who feed on nectar are also known to consume fruits, pollen, and insects. They are listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. There are reportedly less than 600 flower bats in Jamaica. They are threatened in part by cats and the actions of humans.
It's good to take a wider look at the numbers and what we think as a lot. Jamaica is a very small island on a very big planet. This bat is only found on this very small island. Not is it only found on this very small island, but it's a cave obligate. And being a cave obligate, it means that it only roosts and reproduces in caves. So whereas some species of bats will roost in trees, some will roost to the annoyance of many people in their roofs or man-made structures, this species has to have a certain type of cave, a hot cave, not just any cave, and they need certain conditions to thrive. Once a population usually, and this goes for any living thing, once a population goes below a certain number, it becomes hard for them to reproduce viably because they have inbreeding. So you need a large enough population to be sustainable for the future. This bat already is low in numbers for many species around the world by virtue of it being on a small island and being in small islands of its own, in the fact that it has to have these little caves across the island. When you think about also the use of habitat and the fact that they prefer to forage, it seems that they prefer to forage along forest margins, within forests, on certain plants, and we have a lot of development. We have a lot of, there's also natural disasters, hurricanes and other things like that that may affect it. It's in a precarious situation where just a couple good disasters or poor management of not necessarily the bat itself, but also the landscape of Jamaica could result in the numbers drastically falling.
Join me again next week, same time, same place, to learn more about Jamaica's native and endemic flora and fauna.